Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. तो कल न्योकुम है and I was busy the entire day and entire 3 days 23, 24, 25 तक मेरा कुछ प्रोग्राम था तो I did not have any time to get something new for me. तो आज शाम my mom and my sister were getting something for themselves. तो we went and got something. मैं वीडियो लेना भूल गई but ले लिया है. कल देखो आप मैं क्या पहनूंगी वो नया गिफ्ट है मम्मी से. And then here I am in throughout the year. I think Nishi Day and Nyokum are the only 2 days that us Nishi tribe people can wear anything we want. और उस दिन होता है to take out those very hidden tribal ornaments. उनको भी सांस लेने का मौका मिलता है तो सजना संवरना होता है. दिस इज कल का ये माला पहनूंगी मैं.
Nyokum के दिन it also happens to be my third Nanat's birthday. To midnight में we had the anticipated birthday surprise like always. Look at her. She already kind of knew we were coming. You always do.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Let's go. Party at night. Yeah. Let's go. Good morning guys. Getting ready for Nyokum. सुबह उठते ही एक गमला कपड़ा धोया मैंने मम्मी duties and अभी ready होके जाएंगे. My mom and my elder sister come pick me up because सुबह got up early, washed my clothes, prepared the outfits for all my boys, 4 of them. सब अभी तक सो रहे हैं. It's going to be 9 o'clock and 9 o'clock से main program जो है proper Nyokum, like not dressing up and गाना dance गाना, but the main reason कि Nyokum मनाते हैं that will start from 9 o'clock. तो if my mom and my sister is here and my boys are still not awake, I am leaving. उनको बाद में आने दो, फोटो खिंचवाते हैं तब. But I want to go and let you guys see कि proper process कैसा होता है. I'll let you guys experience through my lens. Let's get ready.
जितना भी heavy feel कर रही हूँ physically and mentally, I know that I should start my weight loss journey soon. But ये दिल है कि मानता नहीं. Just kidding. Never mind. For now, मोटा and heavy ही feel करके got ready for Nyokum.
Done. मस्कारा चोरी करूंगी मैं अभी ननद से. तो कपड़े पहन लिए हैं. The one that my mommy gifted me. सारा व्लॉग में यही दिखेगा तो you will know. माइक नहीं लाया अभी, ऐसे बात करना पड़ेगा फिर.
Because I left the mic again. Hello guys, welcome back to my voiceover. तो क्योंकि Nyokum ground is just few minutes away from home, we decided to walk instead. क्योंकि वैसे भी ट्रैफिक जैम होना ही था, तो पूरा सज धज के headed to the celebration. Nyokum this year in Nyokum Lapang ground was different from the past celebrations because the committee this year had invited the president of Missing Banakabang as chief guest along with the president of Adi Banakabang. Adi is one of the major tribes of Arunachal. Missing tribe might not be part of Arunachal, but the customs and traditions of the tribe is pretty similar to our Tani group. Achata, because some might not know about Tani clan, because I asked a younger cousin if she knew and she did not, तो a short summary दे देती हूँ. Tani clan is one of the major ethnic community who trace their ancestry to a common forefather Abotani, and it includes tribes like Nishi, Adi, Apatani, Galo, Tagin, and Missing, who now are mostly settled in the plains of Assam. So without the boundary dividing us, they would have been part of the Tani clan. So unlike every other year, we only see Nishi attires on Nyokum. This year, a sight of a different set of attire joined our celebration. Program was supposed to start at 9 but it started at 11. But before the main ritual could even start, it was already 1 pm. And with tapti dhoop and heavy ornaments, my boys got really cranky. Also because it was time for their lunch, that made them even crankier. इसलिए we had to leave early. Boys and husband ji left, लेकिन before leaving, we thought of dropping by our cousin's house, Chumiyate. A cute and adorable home, very cozy and warm. So we had just gone to see her for a few minutes and then just head home. लेकिन she had prepared इतना tasty starters कि हम रुक ही गए.
ये वीडियो चल रही है। अब ये ब्लॉग जरूर देखना है।
तो थोड़ा गपशप किया, डाटा ट्रांसफर हुआ, and as we were leaving, Ata's daughter, little Puchum, and my youngest Dandan wouldn't stop dancing.
लेट्स कार्ड से ले लो। नाइस है।
The next day.
So because it's a VKV gathering, Nyokum gathering, चुन्नू दी ने मनाया, मतलब सबको बुलाया है for the Nyokum. So when we were in VKV and we did not have all the means to celebrate Nyokum properly, तो उनका जो भी ritual था, whatever we tried to do it in our own way. The one thing, the most memorable thing that we used to do was we used to tie up our mithun and cut it just for the name of sacrifice that Nyokum में किया जाता है. तो चुन्नू दी ट्रेडिशन को कंटिन्यू करते हुए प्रिपेयर द मिथुन फॉर द पोस्ट न्योकुम सेलिब्रेशन. पूरा बचपन का वो याद आ गया. फिर आवर जूनियर्स एंड आवर सीनियर्स whoever was well versed with just saying anything would just go up to the stage. यही मिथुन हुआ करता था. एंड देन would just say anything, just सिर्फ वो टेम्पो पकड़ के चैंटिंग का. याद आ गया वो पुराना दिन. Let's go back. I wasn't supposed to be in the celebration because they are my seniors, लेकिन दीदी को छोड़ते हुए थोड़ा मज़े भी ले रही हूँ. Welcome to Talk Chamis YouTube channel.
Hi. Mocktail for Cherry.
Thank you.
Mocktail जो जानते. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. Tasty है. Happy Nyokum. Wow. Hi guys, I hope you liked my video. The intention was to show you exactly how Nyokum is celebrated, लेकिन because things didn't go as planned and क्योंकि टाइम थोड़ा उल्टा पुल्टा हो गया था and जिस समय प्रोग्राम शुरू होना था उस समय हुआ नहीं, तो इसलिए we had to leave early. तो next time I hope कि न्योकुम के दिन I can make better videos, आपको सही तरह से अच्छे से how it's celebrated, क्यों होता है, back story and what not, पूरा कैप्चर करके आपको दिखा सकूँ. Till then क्या? Like, share and subscribe guys. Bye bye.